Hi, my name's Lisa. I'm an independent mortgage consultant here at Allsopp Allsopp. I've been here for 4 years and I'm originally from London. When a client's choosing a mortgage, the most important factors they should look for is the initial rate, the follow-on rate, the upfront costs, and any prepayment partial settlement clauses. The mortgage options available for UAE residents would be, if a client is buying a property, of course their main purchase, so the mortgage to arrange that. They can look at equity release options, they can look at doing a buyout from one bank to another bank to help them save money, as well as looking at commercial financing. The process to obtain a mortgage here in the UAE typically takes around 3 to 4 working days for pre-approval, and an additional 4 to 5 working days for the client to actually obtain their final mortgage offer letter. The ratio for salary for the banks assessing a client's affordability is a maximum of 50% of the client's total monthly income minus any liabilities that they currently have. The average down payment for a resident buying a mortgage here in the UAE is a minimum of 25% plus purchase costs, which is an additional 6 to 7%, and for locals the minimum down payment would be 20% plus purchase costs. Buyers can apply for a mortgage on an off-plan property, typically subject to a maximum loan to value of 50%. However, depending upon the developer they're buying from and the developer's payment plan, it may be possible to actually put down an initial deposit of 30%, followed by financing the property at 70% on handover. If a client misses a payment on a mortgage, which is actually quite rare, they would ideally pay within 30 days to avoid having a negative entry added upon their credit report, which would impact upon any future borrowing. If the client is unable to pay their mortgage, unfortunately their options are limited. In the 4 years that I've been arranging mortgages here in the UAE, I have not come across this. However, the bank would be in their right to start legal proceedings to repossess the property and actually look to bounce the client's security check. The legal retirement age for a customer's mortgage is up to a maximum of age 65. However, the client should consider that the older they get, the shorter the term would be, therefore the higher the monthly payment. The age limit for a self-employed client is up to a maximum of age 70, which differs from a salaried client of up to age 65. The rules for different nationalities here in the UAE differs from bank to bank. Typically the lending would be reduced if the client's nationality is of one of those that is currently sanctioned in the UAE. The paperwork involved here to apply for a mortgage in the UAE requires the customer to sign a mortgage application form, which of course we are here to help the client with this. They need to supply their income documentation, which consists of 6 months payslips, 6 months bank statements, a salary certificate letter and their ID documentation. If the client's self-employed, typically the bank will ask for 2 years audits as well as 12 months business bank statements. The paperwork involved on the bank side can be quite lengthy, particularly when we get to the final offer letter signing. We of course are here to help the customer and guide them through this entire process. The main role as an independent mortgage broker here at Allsopp Allsopp is to guide the client through the entire home buying process. Yes, of course they do, although I'm biased and naturally we do consider ourselves to be the best in the market. The advantage of using Allsopp Allsopp mortgage services is that we work very closely with the sales agents and the conveyancing team to ensure that the client is getting all of the services under one roof, almost as a one-stop shop. For any further information, or if you would like a free consultation, please visit our website www.allsoppallsopp.com or email mortgages@allsoppallsopp.com.